What's going on, YouTube? This is Carnell. Today is August 16th. I know y'all been asking where I've been because I haven't published or posted anything in a while. I'm here to tell you I've been very busy. Uh, I'm going to introduce you all to my son, who's going to be joining me here pretty shortly. We went and picked up a CBR 600. Slowly working on it, trying to get it back up. It was a Savage bike. We're trying to do all the repairs to it. Still got a lot of repairs to make to it. We already went through it and touched up the engine, installed the brakes on it, and did a lot of minor work that we still got to continue to do on the bike in order to get it up and running so we can get the tags for it. So I'll be doing all the work myself. This is my gift to my son, so he can join me on the road when I hit the road. Now my son is a teenager. My old man, when I was 16, he put me on my first bike, which was a 1100. Well, 15. I was 15, and my first motorcycle he taught me how to ride was a GL 18 1100 Gold Wing. So, in traditional what my father did for me, I'm gonna do it for my son. Except he's not into the cruiser bikes. He's into the sports bike. Now, keep in mind, uh, this is what he's going from. This is a Power Sport 125cc. I'm making the repairs on this too, and I'll probably end up selling it once I get through making the repairs on it. It runs good. It's really loud. It gets up to a top speed of like 50 to 55 miles per hour. It's a good bike, first bike for anyone that want to buy a bike for their son or daughter. Uh, I originally paid, I think around $800 for it, brand new. I'm gonna be rebuilding this bike myself, and I probably end up selling it for about 500 with all the repairs that needs to be done to it. Now this is a 125cc, and this is what he's going from to. This is what he's going to. This is a Honda CBR 600rr. Total fast street bike. Um, and like I said, we still got a lot of, well, I still got a lot of major work to do to it because I know he ain't gonna do it. I already got through replacing the brakes on it. Still got a lot of major work to do to it. Um, and like I said, we still gotta get it up and running so it can pass inspection to get the tags on it. What we're gonna do now is take it for a little short spin. I want to see how he's gonna be able to handle the bike. See if he can handle the bike. And like I already told him, we get out here and you drop it, it's gonna it's gonna get posted because people need to understand uh, this is a big responsibility. This is a big bike compared to what he's going from to what he's going to. So even though I'm making the repairs on the bike, there's a lot of stuff that I will be replacing on the bike, like all of this fairing kit stuff on here. Um, I don't like it. Ain't no other way to put it. I just don't like it. And if I don't like something, I'm gonna replace it. But for now, it's good to have it, to leave it on here, for the simple fact I know he's gonna fall on it. I know he's gonna um, probably turn a curve too fast or go too fast and end up dropping it. I know he's gonna do that. So why fix up the bike all the way up to 100%, knowing that he's gonna eventually drop it? So as of right now, I'm gonna leave the bike the way it is. I still have a lot of work to do to it for as, getting the headlights replaced, one of the mirrors put back on, the whole electrical system, I gotta rewire all that. So I estimate it'll probably take me a couple of months to get this bike back up and running so it can pass an inspection so I can get the tags on it. And plus that'll give me time to train him so on his 16th birthday he'll be able to have a bike that he can enjoy because he built it. He helped build it. So there's nothing more enjoyable than riding a motorcycle that you actually put together. It's a wonderful feeling. So that's enough of me talking for right now. I'm gonna cut this short. We're gonna turn these bikes around, and I'm gonna get behind them, and y'all tell me how he do, and wish him the best of luck, cause we gotta get the bike up and running. And if he tied up, well, there's nothing to get fixed if he tied up. So y'all wish him the best of luck. Y'all see him on it, and like I said, y'all let him know how he did. Let him send him a comment and say, hey man, nice job or something. Or hey man, you need a little bit more training. Be honest with him. But other than that, I'm gonna cut this short. Y'all tell me how he did. Okay, we got these bikes turned around. He's on the sidewalk. And it's all gonna be on him. Let my neighbor turn around right quick. We good to go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just gonna do a little test run on the bike to see how well he can hold it up. I see the tail lights work, so that should be okay, but we still need the headlights. Now keep in mind, this young man is going from a 125cc to a 600rr, CBR 600rr. I'm gonna make sure he is very well prepared for the type of power that this bike can hold. And as you can see, he has no problem holding it up. So I'm trying to see how well he can do in turns and signaling and all that good stuff. I just hope he don't get around his little friends and want to show off in front of them, because showing off on a motorcycle is the last thing anyone that's learning how to ride should do. Stick with the basics. But like I said, experience is the best teacher. You drop it, it's gonna hurt, and I guarantee you, you won't show off no more. Okay, he has no problem breaking. I guess he do because it cut off on him. I think that's gonna fall under a tune-up though. Change the gears. Let's go. I think he riding first and second. He's scared to give it a little power, which I really don't blame him. But at the same time, I want to make sure that he's good to go. This is one of them father-son moments. Something a father is always going to be proud of. Teaching his son how to ride his first motorcycle, his first real motorcycle. It's one of them moments you can look back at and say, well, I did my portion. I did my job as a father. To become a man, you gotta take it up on your own and learn from your own experiences. A father can only teach his son so much. Now this is my baby son here that's riding a motorcycle. My son that's older than him, he can't stand motorcycles. I'm seriously thinking about having his DNA tested. So somewhere down the line, he got skipped when it came to the motorcycle DNA gene. It skipped him for some reason. He do not like motorcycles. But he'll jump in that Mercedes in a heartbeat and go show off. He's definitely my son. I have no problem with that. I made that little DNA joke just to simply say, hey, we usually like motorcycles. My father before him, and me. But it doesn't surprise me that my son, my older son, don't like motorcycles, because out of all my brothers, I'm the only one who actually ride a motorcycle. None of my brothers do. I'm the only one. So when this one started riding his first motorcycle, which was that 125cc, I knew he was gonna get addicted. And yeah, he's addicted big time. All right, man, let's take it home. All right, let's go home. Look like he stalled out. You know, if you had a fail, it was still gonna get posted. You know that, right? All right, so tell everybody what you think.
I'm in love with it, but it's scary on the bump.
Hey, let me turn the mic up. Move. Tell everybody what you said so they can hear you. So what you think?
I love it, but it's scary, especially on the bumps.
What you mean the bumps? When you
Like,
talking about the road?
yeah, because we got messed up road down here.
Oh, okay. Well, other than that, well, hey everybody, this is my youngest one. He's gonna be joining me. And I hope y'all will see him out there with me on one of these trips somewhere. But right now we gotta fix his bike up. So I apologize to you all for not posting videos, but you know I'm spending quality time with my son on trying to get his bike up. I fix my bike up for the rally that's coming up in Arkansas. So hey, I just been kind of busy. Hey, much love to y'all. That's my spiel for today, YouTube. Y'all have a good one.